Subaru of America is recalling the 2013 XV Crosstrek and the Subaru BRZ from 2013, and the Subaru Impreza from 2012 to 2014, and because the valve springs may fracture, and this can cause an accident if you are driving the car, and also it can cause other problems in the engine, which can be costly. It can cost more than $2,000 if this happens. So in this video we are going to cover these points right here, which you can see on your screen. Which engine leader is affected by this problem, from what month to what month they were manufactured, how many vehicles will be affected by this recall, description of the issues or the symptoms, description of the remedy or the repair, and when Subaru notified owners of this problem. The engine that is affected by this problem is the 2.0 liters, which is the 4-cylinder engine found in the Subaru XV Crosstrek, the Subaru BRZ, and the Subaru Impreza. And the production range or the production date for this engine for these models are these right here. For the 2013 Subaru BRZ, the production date or the date when this engine was made is on December 9th, 2011 to July 2nd, 2013. And for the 2013 XV Crosstrek is from May 17th, 2012 to July 2nd, 2013. And the production range for the 2012 to 2013 Subaru Impreza is from January 17th, 2012 to June 13th, 2013. And for the 2014 Subaru Impreza is on October 3rd, 2013. Those are the dates in which these engines or these models were produced, and it's only these vehicles that have this valve spring in them. It's not all Subaru XV Crosstreks or Imprezas or BRZs. It's not all of them. It's just these ones that were produced with the 2.0 liters in these dates that have this valve spring that fractures in the engine in these vehicles. A total of 324 XV Crosstreks, Imprezas, and BRZs are going to be affected by this recall, according to Subaru here in the United States. The engine valve springs may fracture, and this can cause an abnormal noise, like a ticking noise, a small ticking noise or a loud ticking noise, and it can cause engine malfunction, like this 2014 Subaru Impreza that I was working on. The noise that it was making on the left side of the engine was like a fast ticking noise or like a small knocking noise, but my customer said that it was making like a loud knocking noise while he was driving, and the car didn't seem like it had much power in it, he said. Subaru says that this can cause the car to stall out and it not being able to restart again, which can increase the risk of a crash if you're driving when this happens. So it's best to take it to Subaru for them to replace these valve springs in the engine if you own one of these cars, because if you wait until it starts making noises or it starts giving you problems, then it can cost you more if it's not covered under warranty, because it can damage other things in the engine. So to replace the valve springs in the engine would have to be removed from the car, remove the timing cover, remove the timing chain, remove the valve cover, remove the camshafts, and then replace the valve springs, then put it back together, then install the engine back in the car. This process would take about 16 hours for the Impreza with the automatic transmission, 18 hours and a half for the BRZ with the automatic transmission, 16 hours and a half for the BRZ manual transmission, and 16 hours for the XV Crosstrek automatic transmission, just like the Impreza. And if you were paying for this out of pocket, it would cost you between $1,600 to $1,850 for labor plus taxes and parts. If the shop you take it to charges about $100 per hour. Subaru has two-part numbers for the two-part kits that they have put together, including special tools that are needed to replace these valve springs. And the durability and the strength of these new valve springs from Subaru has been improved. And these are the two-part numbers, and the part number that your car is going to need depends on which model is your car on, or which model engine it has in it, either the FA engine or the FB engine. Subaru notified owners of this recall on December 28, 2018. So if you are buying one of these cars second-hand, then it'd be good to ask for proof that this has been done, or these valve springs have been replaced in the engine, so that you're not stuck with a big bill later on. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching, and if you have made it all the way to the end of this video, thank you very much. And if this video adds value to your life, then consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like this video, then hit the I like it button. If you don't like this video, hit the I don't like it button, and tell me in the comments why you didn't like the video, and so I can improve the quality of these videos. Alright, so see you next time.